Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So today we have one interesting question which reads, say, find n if n permutation 2 is equal to 380. So we know for sure that permutation is basically n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So this is the formula for permutation. So we know for the fact that n can take any form. So we have n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial equal to 380. So we know that for every n elements, they start from 1. So n factorial can also be written as n, open bracket, n minus 1, close, n minus 2 factorial equal to 380 divided by n minus 2 factorial. Remember, n factorial can take any form of what is down and end to there. So if maybe we had n minus 3, we would have continued to us having n minus 3, then factorial at the far end. So this and that can basically cancel. So n times n is n squared minus n equal to 380. From here, we just collect like terms. So we can bring the 380 on the other side and we have it equal to 0. So we know for sure that this equation has become familiar to the human eye, where we are introducing the product sum and factor. So we know for sure that the product is made up of A times C. So 1 times negative 380 is negative 380. The sum is negative 1 and the two numbers are basically negative 20,19. So someone can just prove for us. So that is basically our answer there. So we just now get the two factors and replace on the n value for us to be able to find the value for n. So we say n squared plus 19 n minus 20n minus 380 is equal to 0. So from here, we can say we divide here. So we have n plus 19, negative 20, n plus 19 equal to 0 there. So we have n minus 20 and n plus 19 equal to 0. So from here we can find the value of n. So n is basically equal to 20 and n is basically equal to negative 19. For our study, the value of n will never be equal to a negative number, but it will always equal to a positive number. So this is how you solve for n. Your host, Golden Zulu.